Hugo de Vries. So he only proposed the mutation theory of evolution. So what do you mean by mutation? That is sudden change. Sudden change in genetic organization is called as mutation. So he explained clearly mutation is responsible for this evolution. So again, he also proved with so many experiments. One of the experiments given in NCERT is primrose, Oinothera lamarckiana. Okay, so he proved with this plant like the mutation, that is the evolution takes place through mutation. Mutation is responsible for evolution, but not the minor variations. And even minor variations are happening. How it is happening? Only by the change in gene. Yeah. So again, Darwinian variation. If you compare the Darwin's theory and Hugo de Vries' theory, Darwinian variation is minor and it is very slow and it is directional. Please, this slide is very important. Okay, you should know the difference between the Darwinism and mutation theory. So always what Darwin explained was the variations were minor and small variations, they lead to speciation. That was the explanation given by Darwin. And again, it is very slow and it is directional. Okay, so a sudden change is not possible by the theory which was explained by Darwin. But Hugo de Vries, mutational variations, it is sudden and random and directionless. Okay, so here the species formation is by saltation, that is single step. In single step, if large mutation is happening, a new species evolution is possible. But here, Darwin theory, it is not possible to have immediately the new species is not possible by Darwinian theory. So Darwinism is minor, slow and directional. Mutational variations happening very suddenly, randomly, and there is no direction. It is not following any directions. Mutation can happen at any time. So due to pesticides nowadays, due to pesticides and so many reasons are there, UV rays cause mutation, physical, chemical and biological agents are there, mutagens are there. Okay, so it is sudden and it is where the mutation is happening, it is not known, and that is called as directionless. So this is important, and mutation is the origin of variation for evolution, not the minor variations. Because of minor variations, how that minor variations happening, it was not explained by Darwin.